be? Who could it be? Annika V, that's me. I promise I'll never do that again. Hey everyone, I wanted to do a little thrift haul for you. Why do I have to make everything into a rhyme today? So I have had some very, very, very good thrift finds recently, and I wanted to show them to all of you. These are from a couple of different places over the past couple of months of going to thrift shops, charity shops, secondhand stores, and vintage stores, and they're my absolute favorite items. So let's start with accessories. My absolute favorite thing that I have ever thrifted ever in the world ever. Not only does it have a 3-dimensional like silicone or something beat, Loushy pointed out that it is indeed a back quack. Or a quack pack, whichever one you choose. It's an incredible pun. My name is Mary McQuackpack, the back quack. Unfortunately, the worst thing happened. The zip broke. It, you know, the zipper did that thing where it fell off the, zip. I don't know how to get it back on. How do you get a zipper back on a zip? Do I have to replace the zipper entirely? If I do, that's gonna be a lot of work, but it is worth it to save Mary McQuackpack's life. The second accessory I found is this fanny pack / bum bag. Fanny means a different thing in the rest of the world than it does in America, you weirdos. I'm not good at carrying weight on my shoulders from my illness, especially this one. So I'm really happy that these kind of bags are like, you know, people don't look at you like it. Some people recognize that they are a little bit trendy. Some people still laugh at me. But yes, what was I saying? It's so much easier than carrying things on your shoulders. Well, for me, it's so much easier to carry things on my waist. I feel like a cool 80s mom wearing these. So I must be just too enthusiastic with opening my backpacks because I also thrifted this amazing acid wash denim backpack and I broke the zip. It did the exact same thing. The zip actually came completely off this one. Also, this was an awesome find. I follow Minna Gilligan on Instagram, and apparently she made a book in 2015. It's pretty much all about thrift shopping and putting cool outfits together. Features a bunch of her art, and I think someone brought this back to a thrift shop because Minna, the author, talks about how much she loves thrift shopping and loves finding gems at shops, and so I guess this was well loved and well read and then left at the thrift shop for me to find. And this brooch. I don't think it's meant to be, but this is like the most amazing badge for a person with a chronic illness, like, ever. Okay, that's it for the accessories. Onto the clothes. Okay, so the first one that I am very excited to tell you about is right behind me here. I just got this dress yesterday and holy moly, it is so cool. The dress is from the 70s and 100% polyester. I don't normally go for polyester clothes. They usually make me way too hot and sweaty, but I couldn't resist this. I couldn't. Look at the collar. Look at the piping. Look at the drop. Look at it. Okay, more dresses. This pinafore that I got, it has frills. It even has pockets. It's so cute. I love it, I love it, I love it. Another favorite is this crochet orange dress, because it's actually like made out of crochet material. What's that? Yarn, wool. It's actually quite thick, but it's also a short dress and also a bit see-through. So it's a little bit difficult to find the right situation to wear it in. I think it's more of an autumn dress because it's actually quite heavy, but I'm so excited to start wearing it once summer is over here in Australia. This crushed velvet green baby doll dress is like my favorite thing on earth. I feel like Tinkerbell when I wear this. This is I don't know if you can see it in the camera. It's a dress with a short, maybe like a princess waist, the high up waist with a velvet top and cute flowy chiffon bottom. It's a perfect party dress. Someone invite me to a party so I can wear this baby. This dress that I got is the most fancy frickin' thing that I've ever owned. And I got it for $5 secondhand from a market stall. It's got this cool split leg action going on. This is an incredible sheer floral body contouring dress. And it's stretchy and it looks really good with like a beige slip underneath. And again, this was $5 from a market stall. Go to flea markets, people. They're the greatest. Look at the print on this dress. It is so pretty. It is one of my favorite finds, but I just don't think it super suits me. I don't know, I've just been kind of off wearing circle skirt dresses at the moment. So I might be taking this one back to another thrift store for someone to chance upon and find and fall in love with. Because I think someone could love this a lot more than I can. Now I'm probably gonna show you about 1 million stripy t-shirts, so let's go. This is my favorite top find, I think, of this haul. Rainbow colored stuff is something that I have been really loving a lot lately. And this one is like a pink rainbow. I mean, there's 4 different shades of pink in there, and it's stripy and it's got a contrasting hem. It's the best. It goes with everything and I love it. Yeah. This is a cute thing that I found maybe like 4 months ago. It is a nice big oversized tee. So it's cute to tie up or leave down or tuck in and wear loose with this awesome like fresh Prince of Bel-Air print. This stripy crop top that I found reminds me of like vintage Barbie. And I found this really unusual but super cool t-shirt that looks like it has kind of like a vest leotard on it. But it's really nice. And just the other day, I found this old super hot pink Nike top, and I just really like the color. This is a super cute little crop top. I actually think it had long sleeves at one point, because unless this brand just like sucks, the edges are all wonky and weird and raw and but you can't tell, and it's very nice. It has a very cute floral print. And this is one of my favorites. I got this yesterday from a vintage store. It's a German t-shirt from the 70s with stripy sleeves. So it's like a baseball playing turkey on the front, and it says in German, no, I'm not gonna try and say that, but it means hit the drums, or when I put it through Google Translate, today, let's hit the timpani. But I asked some German speaking people what that means, and apparently it means like, yeah, go for it, let's go. But someone told me, that's something only your parents would probably say. So it's like the equivalent in English of being like, yeah, groovy, man, which I just think is so good. And a little like attached googly eye. Yeah, I'm into real just silly shit, huh? I got this super nice knitted singlet top. It's actually very lightweight and like perfect for summer. It's so nice. I've been wearing it like every day, so comfortable. Don't have to wear a bra. Oh, so good. And this cute strappy top. How does this work? I had it on the other day. I swear I know how to. Future Annika, take it away with the figuring out of how it works. Yeah, and I also got this baby yesterday. It's very cute. It's very simple, but I don't know, it just fit really well and I like it. I've also picked up quite a few sweaters recently, which is wholly inappropriate for living in Australia and it being summer right now, but I'll be able to wear it in like 6 months. So it still has the price tag on it, this one, but this is a vintage Adidas sweater with like stitched on lettering. Sweater with a rainbow applique onto it. This was only $10 and yep, I was just like, yes please. And kind of reminds me of brands like Lazy Oaf or Big Bud Press. But this is gonna be my favorite in winter. It's all like soft and fleecy inside and everything. Okay, I got this light denim jacket for how much? Was it $3? No, cheaper. $2? Nope, cheaper. $1.50? Even cheaper. $1? Yup. This was $1. $1! Blah. It is so nice. Again, haven't been able to wear it because it's summer, but it's gonna be like every day on my body when it's winter time. I love this swimsuit to pieces, but you're gonna laugh so much when you see it. So the one real big drawback of this is that it's a swimsuit, but it's not made for swimming. So this thing on the shoulder makes it impossible to move, makes it impossible for me to move my arm. So while I love the like ruffly one shoulder goodness, like so much, I am considering using the fabric to turn it into a one piece instead, because it's already got like built-in cups. Like I'd only need to just copy that side of the neckline over, maybe rethink the frills or put them elsewhere. Pants. I got these like loose fitting pastel pink corduroy pants in Japan with an elasticated waistband, and they are the comfiest thing that I have ever owned. Actually, no, wait. These are the comfiest pants I've ever owned. These are like accordion pleats. I don't know, what do you call that? Like teensy pleating on material. Maybe it's something even smaller than an accordion. They're just loose fitting, like silky black pants, also with an elastic waistband for maximum comfort. Some of my favorite pants that I've ever found are these jeans that have bears all over them. Not only is it super cute, but I can also, when I'm wearing them, say, bear butt, I have a bear butt. Because I'm 5 years old and that joke cracks me up every time. Shorts! Look at this cutie patootie pair of acid wash shorts that I got from a very cool vintage shop in Japan. These cute high-waisted shorts have this adorable paper bag waist feature on them, and oh, I love them so much. I think it can be difficult sometimes for paper bag waist to look nice and not just like a bunch of like extra fabric all up in there, but I think these ones strike the balance really well. And the shorts that I'm wearing today are a Ralph Lauren that I got for $5. So fancy. This is like the cutest, bestest romper that I've ever found. Ooh. This romper is one of my favorite comfy faves. It's got a little floral print all across it. What's this style of sleeve called? Princess Anne? Queen Anne? Some royal, something royal. So it looks really good worn on its own or with like a t-shirt underneath. It's really so comfortable. I think with my clothes, I've decided that the more comfortable, the better lately. Skirts. Now this used to be one of my largest categories of things that I would look for at thrift shops, but now I'm just not that into wearing skirts at the moment. But this long flowy skirt is 100% silk and also has like this sunflower print all over it. Kind of looks more like daisies because it's like the coloring of daisies, but it's the shape of sunflowers. So I don't know what it is. Don't yell at me in the comments because I got a flower wrong. But it's got all these like extra bits of like panels in the skirt to make it really amazing and flowy and makes you want to spin around all the time when you're wearing it. All right, is that it? Is that it? Is that it? No, wait, that's not it. I got some hats to show you. You think I was gonna forget about the hats? Hat number 1. All the hats! And last section, toys. This audio is probably like copyright protected, so this video will get demonetized, but I need to show you. I got a Finn and a Jake, and they talk. They talk.
Come over here and say that to my face.
All right, Finn.
Die on holy day.
They're being so rude to me. And that is my thrift haul from the last couple of months. In the past, when I went thrift shopping, I used to just kind of go through all the cheapest bins and find the cheapest clothes and just get like a mountain of super cheap clothing, and usually not that well made clothing, the reason it's cheap. But more recently, I've been kind of like, that is still a sort of a fast fashion mentality to have towards fashion. Sure, I'm not buying the clothing new, it still supports a charity, but I'm still going through the clothes at such a rapid rate where I'm like, I need more all the time and I'm not satisfied by the things I have. I'm not even wearing some of the things that I have much before bringing them back to the thrift shop. So lately I've been picking fewer pieces, but that are just slightly better quality, maybe just like a slightly more expensive. Like, I used to scoff at things that were more than $10 in thrift shops, but now if they are actually good quality, because some things can just be way too overpriced, but if they are of good quality, I'm like, hell yeah, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna love it for years. And honestly, it's really made me feel a lot happier with my style, with my wardrobe. Yeah, I'm not saying one way is necessarily better than the other, but that's just what I've been doing lately. So let me know, what is the most awesome thing that you have ever found on a thrifting exhibition? All these items are awesome, but they probably still can't beat the little purse I have that is shaped like a house. I had to go find it so I could show you all. It's a purse, and it's a house. Thank you all so much for watching. If you'd like to see how I put together outfits on a daily basis, please don't forget to go follow me at Little Pine Needle on Instagram, and I will see you all next time. Bye! If you like what I do, you can support this channel with a one-off contribution by going to ko-fi.com/AnnikaVictoria. You can also support me on an ongoing basis on Patreon at patreon.com/AnnikaVictoria. Thank you to all of my supporters past and present, and a special shout out to my new business sponsor Stitch Upon a Time. They make awesome, comfy, and easy to understand sewing patterns for all shapes and sizes. You should check them out at stitchuponatime.com.